Welcome to techxlovers. Automated technologies, the future of humanity. Knightscope K5 autonomous security robots are a new technology that is revolutionizing the way security is managed. These robots use artificial intelligence and sensors to patrol areas and detect potential threats. They can also be used to provide surveillance and respond to emergencies. Autonomous security robots offer a number of advantages over traditional security methods. They are more efficient as they can patrol 24/7 without the need for breaks. They are also more effective as they can use AI to identify potential threats that humans might miss. Additionally, autonomous security robots are less expensive to operate than traditional security methods. There are a number of different types of autonomous security robots available, each with its own set of capabilities. Some robots are designed for indoor use, while others are designed for outdoor use. Some robots are equipped with cameras and sensors that can detect a variety of threats, while others are only equipped with sensors that can detect motion. The use of autonomous security robots is growing rapidly. These robots are being used in a variety of settings, including airports, schools, hospitals, and commercial buildings. As the technology continues to develop, autonomous security robots will become even more widespread. ClearBot. ClearBot is an autonomous robot that is designed to clean waterways. The robot uses a variety of sensors and software to navigate waterways and identify and collect trash and debris. ClearBot can be used to improve water quality and reduce pollution. ClearBot is equipped with a variety of sensors including cameras, sonar, and LiDAR. These sensors allow the robots to see its surroundings and avoid obstacles. ClearBot also has a built-in GPS system that allows it to track its location and plan its route. ClearBot is controlled by a user-friendly software application that allows users to create cleaning schedules, set tasks, and monitor the robot's progress. The software application also provides real-time feedback on the robot's status, including its location, battery level, and trash collection progress. ClearBot is a safe and efficient way to clean waterways. The robot is equipped with sensors that prevent it from colliding with objects or people. ClearBot also has a built-in safety system that shuts it down if it detects any unusual activity. ClearBot is a valuable tool for businesses and organizations that are looking to improve water quality and reduce pollution. The robot can help to remove trash and debris from waterways, which can help to improve water clarity and make waterways more inviting for recreation. AgXeed Agbot 2.055 W4. AgXeed Agbot 2.0 is an autonomous tractor that is designed to revolutionize agriculture. The robot uses a variety of sensors and software to navigate fields and perform agricultural tasks such as planting, weeding, and harvesting. AgXeed Agbot 2.055 W4 can help farmers to improve efficiency, productivity, and profitability. AgXeed Agbot 2.0 is equipped with a variety of sensors including cameras, radar, and LiDAR. These sensors allow the robot to see its surroundings and avoid obstacles. AgXeed Agbot 2.055 W4 also has a built-in GPS system that allows it to track its location and plan its route. AgXeed Agbot 2.0 is controlled by a user-friendly software application that allows farmers to create tasks, monitor the robot's progress, and receive alerts. The software application also provides real-time feedback on the robot's status, including its location, battery level, and workload. AgXeed Agbot 2.0 is a safe and efficient way to perform agricultural tasks. The robot is equipped with sensors that prevent it from colliding with objects or people. AgXeed Agbot 2.055 W4 also has a built-in safety system that shuts it down if it detects any unusual activity. AgXeed Agbot 2.0 is a valuable tool for farmers who are looking to improve efficiency, productivity, and profitability. The robot can help farmers to reduce labor costs, increase yields, and improve crop quality. SEIT-500. SEIT-500 is an autonomous mobile robot that is designed for material handling in industrial environments. The robot can carry up to 500 kg of payload and can navigate autonomously in a variety of environments, including warehouses, factories, and construction sites. SEIT-500 is equipped with a variety of sensors and software that allow it to navigate safely and efficiently. The robot has a 360-degree laser scanner that allows it to see its surroundings and avoid obstacles. SEIT-500 also has a built-in GPS system that allows it to track its location and plan its route. SEIT-500 is controlled by a user-friendly software application that allows users to create routes, set tasks, and monitor the robot's progress. The software application also provides real-time feedback on the robot's status, including its location, battery level, and payload. SEIT-500 is a versatile and powerful robot that can be used for a variety of material handling tasks. The robot can be used to transport materials between different locations, load and unload trucks, and even assemble products. SEIT-500 is a valuable tool for businesses that are looking to automate their material handling operations and improve efficiency. SEIT-UV. SEIT-UV is an autonomous robot that uses UV-C light to disinfect indoor spaces. The robot is equipped with a powerful UV-C lamp that can kill 99.99% of germs and bacteria. SEIT-UV can be used to disinfect a variety of indoor spaces, including hospitals, schools, offices, and homes. SEIT-UV is controlled by a user-friendly software application that allows users to create disinfection schedules and monitor the robot's progress. The software application also provides real-time feedback on the robot's status, including its location, battery level, and disinfection progress. SEIT-UV is a safe and effective way to disinfect indoor spaces. The robot is equipped with sensors that prevent it from colliding with objects or people. SEIT-UV also has a built-in safety system that shuts it down if it detects any unusual activity. SEIT-UV is a valuable tool for businesses and organizations that are looking to improve the safety and cleanliness of their indoor spaces. The robot can help to reduce the spread of germs and bacteria, which can help to prevent the spread of diseases. On-grid robotic pick. On-grid robotic pick is a new technology that is revolutionizing the way groceries are picked in warehouses. The system uses a fleet of autonomous robots to pick products from shelves and assemble customer orders. This eliminates the need for human pickers, which can save businesses a significant amount of money. On-grid robotic pick is a highly efficient system. The robots can pick products much faster than humans, and they can do so without making mistakes. This can lead to a significant increase in productivity and a reduction in order errors. On-grid robotic pick is also a very safe system. The robots are equipped with sensors that prevent them from colliding with obstacles or people. They also have a built-in safety system that shuts them down if they detect any unusual activity. On-grid robotic pick is a valuable tool for grocery retailers that are looking to improve efficiency and safety in their warehouses. The system can help to reduce labor costs, increase productivity, and improve order accuracy. 9.1 Dorabot. Dorabot is a robotic system that is designed to automate warehouse operations. The system consists of a fleet of autonomous robots that can be used to pick, pack, and sort goods. Dorabot can be used to improve efficiency, accuracy, and safety in warehouses. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.